Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock B550 Steel Legend motherboard. The ASRock B550 Steel Legend motherboard utilizes AMD's latest B550 chipset and supports all of the latest AMD Ryzen 3rd generation processors, the 3000 series, and of course supports the up-and-coming 4th generation, the 4000 series. It comes with all of the unique features found on ASRock motherboards, including the 14 power phase design, then the HEMIC audio, the Dragon 2.5 gigabit LAN, and of course the polychrome RGB. We've already tested a few B550 motherboards from ASRock, including the PG Veloster as well as the Micro ATX version of this motherboard. It'll be interesting to see how it performs, and of course we'll compare it with the features as well as the benchmark results. So let's put this into our test rig and build up a system, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see in a bit. Alright, so we have the quick unboxing of the ASRock B550 Steel Legend motherboard. Let's have a look inside the box. Alright, so we have the motherboard itself. We'll get back to this later. Let's have a look inside the box. Alright, so we have the quick installation guide. We also have the software setup guide. There's a pack of SATA cables, a pair of them. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 M.2 screws for your SSD. And we have an envelope, the usual ASRock envelope. Inside we have some cable tie Velcro, very nice. There's also the Steel Legend postcard. There's the software on the DVD. And a sheet of Steel Legend stickers. Very nice. Okay, so that's inside the box. Let's have a look at the motherboard. Alright, so we have the motherboard right here. And yep, we'll start off with the DIMM slots right here. So 4 DDR DIMM slots supporting up to DDR4 4733 OC. There's your AM4 socket for your processor. And let's go over here. We have the usual 24-pin ATX power. There's a load of fan connectors as well as ARGB headers. And then we have the SATA ports, 6 of them. There's a diagnostic LED at the bottom here. And nice large heatsink plate there, covering the M.2 slot there, as well as the chipset. And then have a look at the PCIe slots. There's one 16x4 PCIe slot, and then usual, I think there's 4 times, and then 1 times. There's an M.2 Wi-Fi connector here. And underneath here, this black, this silver plate here, armor plate here, you have another M.2 slot. Okay, it's got this nice Steel Legend, usual kind of silver design, very nice. And the B550 Steel Legend kind of etching here. This instantly will glow with RGB, very nice. Look at the extra motherboard power slots right here, ports. You need 8-pin and 4-pin, the PCIe power. And yeah, very nice. Got this nice grey camel design here as well. And we'll take a look at the I/O slots right here at the top. Yeah. Here we have the display port, HDMI, PS2 keyboard and mouse, and USB 3.2, USB 2. USB 3.2 and then USB-C. The Dragon 2.5 gigabit LAN, for some more USBs, and there's an array of audio connectors right here. All in all, very nice design with the board. We'll see how this fits once we build this into our system, and yeah, we'll be back after the installation. So that was a quick unboxing of the ASRock B550 Steel Legend motherboard. B550 Steel Legend is another great addition to ASRock's lineup of B550 motherboards. It's well designed and offers very good performance with a wealth of features that's unique to ASRock. What I really like about ASRock's Steel Legend series of motherboards is the camouflage silver, black and white design and the large silver heatsinks, which really makes it stand out from the rest. It's perfect for anyone who wants to build a white themed PC build. During our benchmarks, we got some really good scores, including a Cinebench score of 2046 and a PC Mark 10 score of 7230. For Port Royal, we got a score of 6689 and a DLSS score of 44.97 frames per second. For 3D Mark Time Spy and Firestrike, we got a score of 10,999 and 23,264 respectively. All in all, I'm very happy with the results. I'm happy to say that the ASRock B550 Steel Legend motherboard delivered both in performance and price. You can actually buy this motherboard for around about $179 from Amazon, which I think is a great bargain considering what you're actually getting. So in conclusion, the ASRock B550 Steel Legend motherboard is a great all-rounder that offers decent performance with a packed feature list, and you get all of that at a price that's extremely attractive. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock B550 Steel Legend motherboard, suitable for all of the latest AMD Ryzen 3rd generation as well as the up-and-coming 4th generation processors. It comes packed with a lot of features and it has this nice Steel Legend design, which I think a lot of gamers will like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description down below. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston at Funkykit.com.